the Done Right LED hatch light bar. This is going to go along the top edge of the window, the bottom edge of the window, so once it's opened up, it'll light up your cargo area and your little area right here. This is a LED dimmer controller. We got some loom here, some cable ties and stuff like that. Same thing here, wiring, cable ties, and the actual light itself. Alright guys, this is the Done Right LED trunk tailgate light for your Jeep JK. It mounts to the back of your windshield, your back window glass. Only thing I did differently is it came with foam tape strips, like just little squares. What I had to do in my situation, because of humidity down here, so I had to switch it out for 3M molding tape, and then it's stuck on like no problem. Comes with these nice little clips with foam tape, which I've done good. If you're living in another state, I recommend you move them more to the edge so you're not on the defroster. It does come with wiring cover, so you can blend it in here with the defroster wire. It does come with additional clips just like these up here, but for the inside they assume your hardtop is white, so they're white. My top on the inside is bent lined, so for now I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. But that's the wire tucked up, tapped into the dome light. In my situation, I don't have the original roll cage in here, and so my wiring was exposed, so it took me real easy. There's a lot of slack because typically you're supposed to tap into the wires at or about the dome light area, so you don't have so much slack left over. It does come with an RF controller that you can use, or you don't need to use. You can always remove the RF controller and wire it in directly. Alright, so it's set up with the dome light, so whenever you close the tailgate on the back of the Jeep, it does turn off. And just like as soon as you open it, boom. Now with the RF controller, so you can see it here. So what you can do is turn it off, turn it on. You got controls up to 100, from 100 down to 10%, so this is 10%. Go up to 40, 60, 80, 100, or you can individually adjust it. So you got that setting right there, or power off, and it has memory, so it remembers your last brightness setting. Anyways, you can't see how bright it is right now because I am underneath the canopy of our store, but I will do a video where it's completely pitch dark and show y'all how big of a difference it is. I really like it, Done Right. It is perfect size right here. But yeah, I really like the way it came out. And for the price on Amazon, 50 bucks, it's a hell of a deal. You could always make something yourself for less. But honestly, when you have a kit that's ready to go and it's straightforward with really good instructions. I mean, I know how to do wiring, but the instructions give you all sorts of information for your vehicle. How to remove the panel, how to route the wiring, and so on and so forth. I pretty much skipped all the way, and I just need to know which wires I was tapping into the dome light. But it's pretty straightforward. Red wire goes to the yellow with white tracer, and black goes to black. That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Later on, I'm gonna clean up the slack back here because I still got to do some more work back here. I gotta change out the dome light. I'm gonna probably put something else, or I just mount it another way. And I gotta get this harness tied up to the roll bar since I don't have the factory roll bar anymore. And if you're wondering, I have a truck top for this Jeep, but it got messed up in an accident, so that's why my roll cage is like the way you see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just hit me up, send me a message, leave a comment.